Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to see the Wi-Fi password for the network you're connected to on your Galaxy A17, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Once you're here, go to the Wi-Fi option. Now, once you're in Wi-Fi, make sure this option is enabled, and then tap here. Now, we're going to tap the gear icon on the right, next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Tap here and then tap this gear icon. To see the Wi-Fi password, you'll need to tap on this eye icon. By tapping here, you'll be able to see your password. You'll need to enter your phone's password. Enter your phone's password. If you don't have a password set, it won't ask you for anything. And here we have our Wi-Fi password. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.